Okay. Hi, it's Barbara Greenlee with Green Moon Stamp Studio, and I've got my daughter Samantha here with me. We are going to open. We're going to open. She's on my team now, so it's all official, right? Like a year, right? Last celebration you joined?
Yep.
Okay.
Best time to join.
Yeah. Of course, we've only got like 7 days left of this celebration, but okay, we digressed. We're going to open. There's a new program starting March 1st, which is new. It's called Online Exclusives. So I got to pre-order some. I've got my box cutter here. We're going to do an unboxing video and check out the new exclusive online exclusives. So let's see if we can do this without hurting ourselves. And by the way, Stampin' Up! Is celebrating their 35th anniversary. Check out the box. They have a new design on the box that says Stampin' Up! 35 years. So that's cool. I noticed that right away when it came in.
Yeah, I was wondering why it said 35 years.
Yeah. So this is... Sorry.
This is exciting. That's what this is.
Yeah. Okay. We have bubble wrap.
Don't need the paper.
Yep. Okay. What do we have? Let's see. This is gonna be hitting me the whole time. Okay. Okay. So one of the things that was new was this new stamp set, Classic Letters. They're bigger than what's on, there. So this is the actual size of the letters. I'd say they're like 1.5 inches. They're at least 1 inch. Yeah, they're about 1 inch tall. So that's exciting. All photopolymer. So, you can spell out anything. It's also got characters for other, like accented characters for other languages.
And numbers.
Yep.
That's really cool.
So that's going to be nice. And little leaves.
Yeah,
little branches.
Little accents, if you want to say a word out and then put 2 leaves on the
These are not part of the online exclusive.
These are just fun extras.
I needed some more of that. And it was still celebration, so I got myself some ribbon that was for celebration. Okay, back to the online exclusives. So this is new, basic 3D embossing folders. So hopefully I'm holding that in front of the camera. We'll find out later when we look at this. So this is like I've never seen them do this before. I'm excited about this. It's a 3-pack of embossing folders.
Yeah,
just basics, like small patterns. So I'll have to make some cards with this and then do that. So we got polka dots and then this like hashtaggy. Mm-hmm. They might have names.
That might be a thing, they could be named, maybe.
I don't know. Let's see.
It's like cross-hatching.
Yeah, I don't, there might be a name on something, but I don't have the name on these. So it's just the basic 3-pack. And then this one, it looks like little flowers with some other geometric lines. So anyway, this is cool.
Cute.
I really love this one.
Yeah, I do too.
The hash mark. What did you call it?
That could be used in multiple
grid.
Mm-hmm. So it reminds me of when you do sketching and
right,
like and you do the cross hatching.
Like a cartoon.
Mm-hmm. It's like hand drawn a little bit too.
Okay. Oh, this is another celebration freebie. That was some sort of masking layers. Okay, so this is a new bundle. This Irresistible Blooms and Dies. So this one, this one is not photopolymer, rubber.
Rubber, yeah.
So got some flowers, I like that font.
I do too.
Look, I like you. I couldn't be happier to have you as my friend. Hooray, it's your day. Okay, all right, yes, okay. And then let's check out I guess the dies. We'll do the flowers. Let's see what else is in the dies, just for fun.
Sometimes they add extra things in that aren't part of the stamp set.
Yeah, I like that.
I like
it just
when they
coordinates.
Do that too.
So let's open the dies and check them out.
Oh
yeah, I forgot. Yeah, it's got this cool like round die that cuts like a frame. So this is going to be cool. I've already seen some other projects demonstrators have done with that one.
And just so you can see it against some white.
Yep. And then there's this one that's similar that does the little holes and everything. And then of course it cuts out all your flower pieces. Okay. So I'm going to have to make some cards with that. I love that. And then it has coordinating paper.
Oh, that's always nice.
Let's check out the paper. I love this that it's white accents. Although I love the ones that have black accents too, so I guess it doesn't matter.
Beautiful paper is beautiful paper.
It's all good. So let's see.
You got 2 packs of that.
Of course I did.
Couldn't resist just getting one.
No, they let me buy 2. Hello. Okay, so let's see what we've got. So you've got like 5. Oh, look at that one. Oh, I know it's just pattern,
you know what
but
though? That's like that cross hatching.
It's like the embossing folder. Well, not exactly.
Not exactly, but close.
Oh, and it's watercolor on the other side.
That's beautiful.
Oh, here's that pattern for the die. So there's that one, and then more
watercolor.
Ooh, look at the green. Okay, yes. What color of green is this? It is Pretty Peacock, Lost Lagoon, and Soft Sea Foam. That's quite a combination. I love this one.
Yeah, that one's beautiful.
And then, wow, okay.
You can do a lot with
I like
that
those greens together. Here's this was Flirty Flamingo and Petal Pink. Pretty, but I'm not a pink person. I'm a green person.
Is this
Hello,
okay?
Green Moon Stamp Studio. I like this one better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But they're similar, huh? But this one, they put the yellow in it. So it's got some Daffodil Delight. That's interesting.
That is cool.
Look at that
I like how they reverse where the pattern is white and then you've got the watercolor background.
And then that's pretty, even though it's flamingo. And there's more green.
Of course.
So this one has a kind of a subtle leaf pattern and dots and splatters on the back. Ooh!
Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh. There we go. This is going to be her favorite.
Yeah.
I guarantee it.
You're going to see a card.
Yes, there will be a card with this
made
one
with
for sure.
This paper. Oh my goodness. So that's got to be, do you think that's Pretty Peacock? Yeah.
Probably.
That darker is probably Pretty Peacock, which is one of the colors that rumored to be coming back. We'll know more on March 1st. They're going to let us know what's happening with the colors. And there's some more of the pink and yellow with the crossy stitch looking thing on the back. And some more yellow and blue. I like
this. I think this one's
You
my
like
favorite.
the yellow and blue?
I like the yellow and blue.
I like the blue and blue.
Well, really? You?
And the green and blue.
Yes.
Yeah. Or is that all blue? I don't know. Anyway, this is very pretty. I think this is Lost Lagoon with
what do you say, Daffodil
with
Delight?
Daffodil Delight. Yeah. So
very pretty.
That's the paper. Oh my goodness.
That's a beautiful little pack of paper.
It's pretty.
I love when they do watercolor. There's so much you can do with it.
More of my celebration freebies. I got 3 celebration freebies in there.
Oh, we can't show this one? Look at the purple.
And then this is new too. So this is part of the online exclusive. It's called, and this could cause trouble opening this. It is called
everywhere. Yeah, we have confetti.
Loose Frosted Dies.
Okay.
Is that what I said? Dots.
Dots.
I was like, dies? What is that? Okay. I'm going to attempt to open it. They are actually loose. You know, like normally you get them on a card.
Yes.
Where they already have the glue dots. So these are, you put your own glue dot.
Yeah.
Put your own glue dot on. So I would suggest.
They're kind of like a 3D frosted glass look.
Yeah. So maybe you use your pick tool with the little gummy end.
The glue dot?
No, you know, it has the like gummy end to pick it up and then put it on the glue dot maybe. I don't know. That's some experimentation. or you put your glue dot on your project and then pick that up and put it on the glue. I don't know. We'll find out what works better
Who knows?
when we play with it. Okay, the last thing in the box
is the shiniest.
Shiny paper. Bye bye box. Okay, so this is called Naturally Gilded Specialty Designer Series paper. I can't wait to see this.
No, I'm sure.
So let's check it out.
I mean, it's shiny. How can you go wrong?
All of this will be available March 1st. Okay. Ooh.
Okay.
Okay,
Patience,
so
one sheet at a time.
yeah. So this is the gold. And it looks like it is a different design.
It is.
This one is more tree-like. This one's more
Yes.
like wildflowers. So this one is more like, you know, a wintry forest. Like
This one's also
silver.
white. This has been very vanilla as well.
Yeah, I guess so.
So
Vanilla
gold
and gold and silver and white. You get 2 sheets of each one. Oh, and copper.
Oh, yep.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
So this
Copper
is
and white.
This is also very wildflowery. So, yes, I like
Very
it.
pretty.
Yeah, this is going to make some pretty backgrounds. I love that.
I
Okay,
know.
coppers. I can't tell whether this one or this one's my favorite.
See, I'm such a silver person, but this copper is beautiful.
The copper's pretty.
I also feel like this is a little more stylized with it looking
This could
like
be
trees.
Christmas cards.
easy. Could be Christmas cards,
Because, I mean, yes, there's flowers there, but
but it looks more like birch trees or something like that.
it just has a tree feel to it, right? Okay, so that's everything out of our box. And check my website on March 1st, and all of these things will be in the online exclusive category of my online shopping on my website. So thanks. Bye.
Yeah,
No.
let me,
Is that going to happen a lot?
no, yeah, let me just gonna silence this.
Yeah.
Oh, look, silenced.
Okay.
Okay.
We're not even, I'm filming, but this
I
will all
know.
be cut out.
These could be bloopers. Who knows?
Okay, right. Bloopers.
Yep.
Okay.